Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'm going to be deep cleaning our master bedroom. Now this room may look relatively clean, but it desperately needs a deep cleaning. It needs to be dusted, there's cobwebs, it just needs a thorough cleaning throughout the room. So that's what we are going to be doing today. And in one of my previous videos recently I deep cleaned our living room area, and that was quite a few weeks ago. Now I need to continue the deep cleaning in the other rooms. So today I'm tackling our master bedroom and our master bathroom as well. So the first thing that I did was to get our new sheets from Bedscape washing in the washer. Then after that, I took our old sheets off of our bed and then I got started with the cleaning. The first thing that I like to do when I'm deep cleaning a room is to grab my broom and start sweeping down the corners of the ceiling and the wall just to get down any cobwebs that there might be. The next area that I'm going to work on is this window. I started off by taking my handheld vacuum and I just vacuumed down the curtains. It's easier than having to stick them in the washer, and they weren't that bad. If they were pretty bad, then I would have threw them in the washer, but I just vacuumed those, and then I vacuumed the inside of the window. We have old windows and we live in Arizona, so there's a lot of dust that blows in around the corners of these windows, so I got to clean those often. And then I took my duster and my dusting spray and I dusted the blinds on the window. And I was done cleaning the window. I just continued dusting all of the surfaces in the bedroom. The whole room was dusted, I took Method glass and surface cleaner and I cleaned all of the mirrors in the bedroom. After that, I grabbed my little handheld vacuum again and I vacuumed in all of the corners of the room that I knew the big sweeper wasn't going to be able to get up, spots underneath the bed and different areas like that. And then I got our big comforter washing in the washer. The sheets were done, so I put those into the dryer and got that comforter started in the washer. I put some new batteries in this LED candle and also some new batteries in these little twinkle lights that I have over top of our dresser. Once those sheets were done drying in the dryer, I got those put onto the bed, and these sheets are from the company Bedscape, and they recently sent these sheets to me, so a big thank you to them. These sheets are designed in New York and produced in one of the oldest Israeli textile factories, so I thought that that was really neat. They have different collections and colors and fabrics available on their website. I will have the link down below. They offer free shipping, and you can also get a 30% off your order with my code YouTube30. I'll have all of the details down below. Definitely go and check them out. So once I had the sheets back on the bed, I started doing some cleaning in my master bathroom. Just kind of did the same thing, swept down the cobwebs, did some dusting, and I didn't do a like really huge deep cleaning in here. I didn't clean out the shower or anything like that, just because I had recently did a deep cleaning in this bathroom. So I just did a really quick cleaning in here. So now I am all done with the cleaning in here. It was worth all of the hard work. It feels so nice and cozy and clean in here now. I hope that this video gave you lots of cleaning motivation, and let me know down in the comments if you've done any fall deep cleaning, and I will see you guys in my next video. And also don't forget to subscribe if you're new. I would love to have you. Bye guys.